right? So welcome you back to this Igbo lessons. If you surely want to learn how to read Igbo, stick to this channel. I'm going to teach you a lot. We have done a lot. Just check out our channel, the video contents that are here. Check it out. You see a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot. Okay. In fact, if you're able to cover what we thought in this YouTube channel on Igbo, you learn a lot. Okay, you master Igbo. Alright, so today we are going to be looking at the aha ndị mmadụ, ụmụnna na etu ha si metụta. That is names associated with human beings and their relations. That means aha ndị mmadụ, ụmụnna na etu ha si metụta. Okay, that is what we'll be discussing today. Okay, continue. Aha mmadụ na etu ha si metụta, which means names associated with human beings. Okay, we have number one there, which is what? Nna. Nna. If you don't call it Nna, you call it Papa. That means what? Father. We have the second one, Nne or Mama. In English, it's called mother. Have the next one, which is Nwa. Okay, Nwa Nwoke, which is what? Male child or male son. We have male child or son. We have Nwa Nwanyi, which is what? Female child or daughter. We have Opara, which is what? First son. We have Ada, which is first daughter. We have Ulu, which is what? Second daughter. We have second daughter. We have Odunwa, which is last child or born. We have Di, which is what? Husband. We have Nwunye, which is what? Wife. We have Nwanne, which is sibling. We have Umunne, which is siblings. We have Dede or De, which is elder brother. We have Dada, Ada, which is what? Elder sister. Okay, these are the names you can see there. Okay, here we're looking at the aha ndị ọzọ metụtara ndị mmadụ, which is other names of human beings. We have number 15, nwanne, nwanne nne or nwanne nna, mmadụ nke nwanyị. Okay, which is what? Aunt. Aunt. We have this next one, which is nwanne nne, nwanne nne or nna, mmadụ nke nwoke. We have the word uncle. Okay, we have nwa nwanne. Okay, nwa nwanne gị nwoke nke nwanyị. That's nwa nwanne gị nwoke nke nwanyị means in English niece. Okay, niece. Okay, nwa nwoke nke nna ma ọ bụ nne mmadụ site n'aka di nwunye ọzọ. That is what? Step brother. You know what that means? You know what step brother, what it means. Okay, the next one is nwa nwanyị nke nne ma ọ bụ nna mmadụ site n'aka di nwunye ọzọ. These are the step sister. Okay, the next one is nwa nwanne nna mmadụ nke nwoke ma ọ bụ nwanyị. This one is cousin. Nwa nwanne nna mmadụ nke nwoke ma ọ bụ nwanyị means cousin. Okay, the next one is nwa nwoke nke nwanne mmadụ nke nwoke ma ọ bụ nwanyị mụtara. This one means nephew. Okay? Nwunye nna mmadụ na-abụghị nne onye ahụ. This one is what? Stepmother. The next one is di nne mmadụ na-abụghị nna onye ahụ, means stepfather. Papa ukwu means grandfather. Papa ukwu means grandfather in Igbo. Okay? Mama ukwu means grandmother. Papa nne mmadụ means maternal father. Mama nne mmadụ means maternal mother. Okay? That is that. We'll continue. Okay? Thank you very much for participating in this class. Repeat this video as much as you can for maximum understanding. And if you want to learn Igbo, how to speak, how to understand, how to do everything, just do well to contact us. Share this video, comment on it, ask your question, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching our video.